Ukraine's drone swarm attacks against Russia's tanks has shown effectiveness, as Russia's most modern T-90M tank has superior armor compared to their older Soviet tanks. It's more likely to withstand a hit. But as this tank already had been immobilized, Ukraine kept striking it to ensure it couldn't be repaired and brought back to service, adding more damage to the side and back section of the tank, resulting in one more T-90 tank lost, leaving 100 documented losses of T-90 now, showing a sharp increase from the beginning of the conflict, as their better equipment was not used. As now more and more stocks are thinning out, they have to use whatever they can. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.